guys, Kim Jo, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today is 31st of October. It's Halloween, so happy Halloween to everyone who is celebrating. And I know my channel पे काफ़ी time बाद आई हो, and that is because I was taking care of myself. I was working on myself and on my mental health, which was very important, which is very important for each and every individual living on this planet. Let it be 0 months baby or 100 years uncle, auntie, or any age, no matter what. So my mom actually didn't want, sorry, got a call. My mom didn't want me to tell anyone that I was going to a psychologist. So not because she was ashamed or anything like that, no, not that. In fact वो मेरे को सामने से लेके गई थी डॉक्टर के पास, but because of the people that we live around और द सोसाइटी इफ़ यू से, तो शी वॉज लाइक देख मैं समझती हूँ तू समझती है बट लोग नहीं समझेंगे, तू लोगों को बोलेगी तू वो डॉक्टर के पास जाए तो दे विल बी लाइक यू आर गॉन कुकू, यू आर मेंटल. एंड दैट टाइम आई फेल्ट लाइक यू नो आई शुड टॉक अबाउट दिस बिकॉज आई have a platform where I can talk about anything and everything. And maybe now, not today, not tomorrow, but someday maybe this video can help someone. That's the only motive behind making this video. So after dad's death I was going through a lot and I didn't react. I was living very normally. I was not feeling normal, but then I was living normal because my mom was staying so strong for me. तो मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि नहीं, I should not get upset or I should not cry around her because she was इतना strong हो रही थी and she was being so normal. I felt कि अगर मैं टूटूंगी तो शायद उन्हें भी वो अफेक्ट करेगा and I didn't want that. तो I was not doing that, but somewhere of course अंदर से it was affecting me. तो then I started having fights with her and all that, and that one day it's something huge happened, some argument happened and I didn't talk to her and then I texted her. So what happens is when I and mom have a fight, मैं हमेशा उनको text करती हूँ ऐसे बड़े बड़े messages saying all my feelings because face पे बात करने की तो नहीं होती मेरे में हिम्मत, या होती I don't know. There is something I have been doing this since years, so I WhatsApp her. So I'll try putting a screenshot of the message. I told her what I was going through mentally and I was not able to sleep, I was not able to eat. I was eating but I was eating too much or not at all and all that. So she was like it's okay, तेरे डॉक्टर पास तेरे को डॉक्टर के पास जाना है क्या? I was like I don't know. So next day she went to a family, not family doctor, maybe family, I know. She went to someone we know and उसने बोला ये सब है and the doctor recommended me another doctor. She's a psychologist, Dr. Meera करके है, in Ernakulam only. It's in Tevra, not Ernakulam, in Tevra, and they are amazing. It's Elixir Solutions. I'll put their details below if anyone needs anything. The team is amazing. They helped me through so much with they did few tests and everything. I'm not going to say a lot about it, but there was yoga and one-to-one therapy sessions. But I loved it and I am so glad that mama took me there. And I feel so different now. I feel like a good different, you know. I am self-aware. I know what I'm thinking. I know how to control my bad thoughts, my negative thoughts and all that. And I think everyone should do that. Everyone should know why mental health is important. And ये ऐसा टॉपिक है जिसके बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं होती, बट आई फील ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए. पीपल शुड बी अवेयर. सम पीपल थिंक कि हमारे जनरेशन में है डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी, मेंटल हेल्थ, ये वो, ये सब बकवास है. नहीं, ये बकवास नहीं है. दिस इज़ रियल. डिप्रेशन इज़ रियल, एंजाइटी इज़ रियल, मेंटल हेल्थ इज़ एज इम्पॉर्टेंट एज योर फिजिकल हेल्थ. एंड आई फील अगर आपको, ओके लेट्स से वन एग्जाम्पल आई एम गोना से, इफ़ यू हैव अ वेरी बैड बैक पेन, ओके, लाइक लिटरली यू कैन नॉट walk, you can't, like you are, it's unsufferable pain, like you are going through a lot of pain and everything. Will you be like, oh my god, how should I go to a doctor, it's back pain? No, right? You will straight away go to doctor, take medicines or whatever is needed, right? So same is with mental health. We are also suffering from something. There is a pain that has triggered this, and we are suffering. We are not able to do anything. We don't feel like doing anything. We can't feel anything. It's so many things going inside, like personal experience. बाहर से we feel normal, but अंदर से we are going through a lot. And it's okay to go to a doctor and show and take recommend like medicine. Not, I'm not saying medicines, but take a proper treatment. Take a treatment that is going to heal your mental health and feel good about yourself, you know. So I just want to make a video about this and let people know that, you know, it's okay to go to a psychologist and show your mental health, treat yourself, treat as in heal yourself or work on your mental health. And it's nothing to be ashamed of. I feel everyone should go and everyone should have a therapy. And yeah, that's it. Actually, this video is only about that. It's a very small, it's going to be a small video. I have to just 2-3 things. So I was suffering after that, and my mom took me. I'm really glad that I went to Dr. Meera, and I feel so good about myself now. And yeah, so that's it actually. I just wanted to say that it's okay to go to a doctor, and it's okay to go to a doctor, and it's totally normal. There is nothing to be ashamed of. And yeah, that's it actually. That's it. That's all what I wanted to say. Conclusion of the video: mental health is very important. It's as important as your physical health. Sometimes taking care of yourself is important than others. I'm not saying कि आप दूसरों का ध्यान मत रखो, नहीं, बट खुद का पहले ध्यान रखो फिर दूसरे का ध्यान रखो. Like for example, today is Ruvi's birthday and we are going to have a party like at her place, just dinner and all. And if at the same point I feel that I need to go, and like if this was supposed to be a lunch party and I had my therapy, then I was obviously going to go for therapy, because self-care is important, self-love is important, mental health is important. I know I'm repeating it, but I think people need to understand that. And I'm not saying be selfish, you know. खुद का ध्यान रखना is not selfish. To anyone who thinks that खुद का कौन ध्यान रखता है, it's being selfish. No, I'm not saying don't be like दूसरों का भी बिल्कुल ध्यान मत रखो, बट ऐसा भी मत करो कि दूसरों का ध्यान रखने में आप खुद को अफेक्ट कर रहे हो या आपकी खुद की हेल्थ ठीक नहीं. लेट इट बी मेंटल और फिजिकल, कि आपको ठीक नहीं है, बुखार है, फिर भी फ्रेंड्स के लिए, फैमिली के लिए आप कर रहे हो. नहीं, दैट इज़ नॉट गुड. टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट. बीइंग सेल्फलेस इज़ गुड, बट नॉट उतना भी नहीं कि यू नो यू सफ़र. डोंट सफ़र एट समवन एल्सेस कॉज. That's it. That's all for the day. I don't know if you think this is blabbering or not so good content, but this video is not about content. It is just about the message that I feel that people should get. This is something that everyone should be aware of, so that's why I made this video. I hope this video helps someone somewhere, and I'm gonna put Elixir Solutions all the details and number and everything. I'm gonna put a photo also. I took a very small chotu sa photo of their board thing, so I'll put that somewhere here or on my thumbnail. You will be able to see. And I'm really thankful to the whole team for helping me come out of something that I thought I would never be able to. I mean, I obviously wanted to. मेरे को निकलना था बाहर, but I was failing. I was not able to do it, and they helped me so much to. They made me realize what is important and why. Like, I'm not gonna say actually so much, but I'm really glad. I'm really thankful that Mama took me to that doctor, and I'm really thankful to the whole Elixir Solutions team. In case if you're watching anyone, hi, thank you so much. I really wanted to say thank you to all of you for making me the better version of myself. Thank you. Okay, that's it for the day, guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Until then, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself, everyone around you, and your mental health. And I'll see you next time. Peace.